Hello YouTube, Text back with another great video, and today's video is about network sharing issues, on how to fix issues related with network sharing, or your computer may not be showing on the network sharing when you open here the network category on your computer and you open it. If your computer is not visible here, or if your computer network sharing problem have a problem, then you are in the right place. We have 5 solutions from basic to advanced, so stay tuned until the end. Now let's start from the basic solution. So the basic solution will be the first solution. So the first solution is getting into here the search icon and type control panel. Here we find the control panel. Then open the control panel, and the control panel, it should have to be expanded. And if it's not expanded like this, and if it is like this, select here the category option, select the category and make it large icons, and you will find network and sharing center. So open network and sharing center, and if it open network and sharing center, then go to change advanced sharing settings. So select change advanced sharing settings, then open here the private section. So to open, select here the drop down and turn on network discovery. So make sure this option is ticked, and also again this one, turn on automatic setup of network connected device is turned on. So check this one, and it's already, in my case, it's already, if I'm going to do, it will ask me save changes, but in my case, it's already turned it on the network discovery. And make sure to save changes. So select save changes and close your control panel, and check the network option if it's solved or not. If it is not solved, then again the second option will be, again go to the search icon and type again the control panel. Here I found control panel. I'm going to open it. Then a control panel, find program and features, select program and features here, and on the program and features, go to the left top corner and find turn Windows feature on or off. So open this, which is turn Windows feature turn on or off, and find SMB 1.0 to the bottom, which is here I found SMB 1.0 hash CFIS file sharing support. So select the plus sign and select all the 3 of them and select OK. So after you select OK, it will start searching for the required files, and it will check and process all the activities related with SMB 1.0 file sharing support. So it may take some time, so wait patiently until it finishes the processing. Okay, so here it finished. Windows completed the requested changes related with SMB 1.0. So Windows need to reboot your PC to finish installing the requested changes. So you should have to restart your computer and check back the networking issue. So I'm going to restart the computer. Okay, so after the restart, then check your network failure is solved or not, or your computer is under the network category or not. Then if it is not, the third solution will be getting into the service section on your computer. Select the search icon and type here services, and right click on the services and select run as administrator. So the service section will be opened. So after the service section will be opened, you are going to search for different services will be available, and search for function. Select any of the service here and click on F. So after you click on F, it will show you services related with F, and you find function discovery provider host, this one. So select this one and go to properties, right click on it, on function discovery provider host, right click, then select properties. So after you select the properties, then go to here from manual to select automatic. So after you select automatic, then select here apply. And after you select apply, then select OK. Okay, so as you can see here, it's selected into automatic. Then the second one will be again, which is next to the function discovery provider host, we will find function discovery resource publication. So again, do the same thing. Right click on it, select properties, which is at the same type. The startup type is manual, then select into automatic, then select here apply and select it OK. And as you can see, it's changed into automatic. These two services are changed into automatic. Then after we did these two services into automatic, then the third service will be SSDP. The same thing we will do. We will select the letter S on our keyboard. Then it will lead us to the S category. Then we will go to the bottom by scrolling. Then we will find here SSDP discovery. Here I found SSDP discovery. Then again, I will do the same. Right click on it, select properties. And after you select properties, then startup type is again manual. Then I will select it into automatic. And again, you go to apply and select OK. Then check, yes, it's changed the start type into automatic. Then the fourth and final service that we are going to change is UPnP. So I will do the same. I will click U on my keyboard and it just went into the U categories, and I find here UPnP device host. So I find UPnP and it's also manual. Then select it, then select properties, then select manual to automatic, then select here the start, and it's starting here, and select here apply and select here OK. Then it changed into automatic. Then finally here select the restart service on the left corner before you finish. So select restart. So all the services again will restart back again, and close the restart window and check whether the network sharing failure or problem is solved or not. If the network sharing problem is not solved, then the fourth solution will be again, we will go to here, the Windows icon, right click on it, select run, or you can click Windows plus R on your keyboard and it will open the run command. So open the run, and here I already put the command ncpa, which is, let's type it, ncpa.cpl. So type ncpa.cpl and select OK. So this one will open you a network connection categories, and if you are using a Wi-Fi, it will show you Wi-Fi. If you are using Ethernet, it will show you Ethernet. But in my case, I'm using Ethernet, so I will select Ethernet. So based on your case, if you are using Wi-Fi, then select Wi-Fi. But in my case, it's Ethernet, so I will click on the Ethernet, right click on it, then select properties. So after you select properties, then go to here, sharing. So select the sharing, and here internet connection sharing. So allow other network users to connect through this computer and internet sharing. So select here the checkbox, and again it will select the other checkbox, then select OK. So after you select OK, then turn this off and check whether the network sharing problem is solved or not. If this problem is still continuing, then the final thing that you will do is check for the file that you want to share. Maybe you are going to share your driver, this one, or else you may want to share a file or anything. So go to the file that you want to share, right click on it and select properties. Then after you select properties, then go to here, sharing. So after you select sharing, then go to here, advanced sharing. So after you select advanced sharing, then select this checkbox, share this folder. Then after you select this share this folder, it will give you option of permissions. So open the permissions and give a permission for everyone. Select everyone, then give a permission related read change full control. So you can select each of them, and or you can unselect any of them. So let us select each everyone and select apply and select OK. Then again select apply and select OK. Then close this, and you can now use your network and sharing problems related with these 5 solutions. So it may help you to solve all the network sharing problems related with the file sharing problems. So this is all about today's video, and if this video is helpful, you can give me thumb up, you can subscribe, and can give me comments on the comment section. And final word, thank you for watching. Touch Tech out.